Simple Mobile, operating on T-Mobile's network, sometimes defaults to Edge, a slow 2G connection. This happens despite the availability of faster 4G LTE and 5G networks. The primary reasons are incorrect APN settings, band locking issues, or simply being in an area with poor coverage. An incorrect APN or access point name prevents your device from properly connecting to Simple Mobile's data network, forcing it onto Edge. Band locking refers to your phone being restricted to specific, slower frequency bands, instead of utilizing the faster bands available. Finally, weak coverage areas will naturally cause your phone to fall back to the older Edge network. Let's dive into how to address each of these. First, check your APN settings. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, then Access Point Names. Ensure the APN is set to simple with no username or password. Next, investigate band locking. On Android, use dialer codes like *4636 to access band selection menus and ensure your phone is not locked to 2G bands. iPhone users can find similar settings under Cellular Data Options, though options may be more limited. Finally, verify coverage using T-Mobile's coverage map or apps like OpenSignal. If you're in a weak coverage area, consider using Wi-Fi calling or moving to a location with better signal. You can also try toggling airplane mode, restarting your phone, or updating your carrier settings by dialing *#check-in, #. If these steps don't resolve the issue, contacting Simple Mobile support is the next best step.